How to make money by podcasting. Podcasting has emerged as one of the most powerful and accessible content platforms in the digital age. As of 2025, millions of people across the globe tune into podcasts for entertainment, education, inspiration, and more. With smartphones, wireless earbuds, and AI-enhanced content discovery algorithms, podcasting is no longer a niche hobby, it's a booming industry. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Sponsorships and brand deals. Sponsorships are one of the most common and lucrative ways to make money through podcasting. Brands are eager to partner with podcasters who have built a loyal audience, even if it's a niche one. Sponsors pay to have their products or services mentioned during your show, typically at the beginning, pre-roll, middle, mid-roll, or end, post-roll. These spots can be worth anywhere from $15 to $100 plus per 1,000 downloads depending on your audience and niche. What makes this model powerful is its scalability. Your ad inventory grows with your audience. Podcast sponsorships can be managed directly or through networks like Podcorn or AdvertiseCast, which connect podcasters with advertisers. Negotiate sponsorships based on CPM, cost per mil, or flat fees. Ensure brand alignment with your content to maintain trust. Start small with affiliate deals or local sponsors, then progress to national or global brands as your reach expands. Tools like Chartable and Podcorn simplify sponsor outreach, listener donations and crowdfunding, Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee. If your listeners value your content, many are willing to support you directly. Platforms like Patreon and Buy Me a Coffee allow you to collect recurring or one-time donations from your audience. In exchange, you can offer bonus content, shout-outs, early access to episodes, or even one-on-one interactions. This model thrives on authenticity and loyalty. If your listeners feel like they're part of a community, they're more likely to contribute financially. This approach is particularly powerful for niche podcasts that serve dedicated audiences. Offer exclusive rewards, like ad-free episodes or private Q&A sessions, to encourage donations. Promote your Patreon or tip link naturally during your show. Transparency builds trust, so show how donations help improve the podcast, e.g., better gear or hiring an editor. Even $5 per month from loyal fans adds up fast. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by promoting products or services in your podcast. When a listener uses your affiliate link or promo code, you earn a percentage of the sale. This method works best when you recommend tools or services that align with your content and audience. For example, a tech podcast might promote gadgets or software, while a personal finance show might feature investment platforms. Affiliate deals can be passive and long-term, making them perfect for podcasters who want to monetize without ads. Use trackable URLs and codes to earn from listener purchases. Focus on trusted products that align with your theme. Always disclose affiliate relationships to stay ethical and transparent. Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and niche-specific programs are great starting points. Test what converts best with your audience. Premium content and paid subscriptions. In 2025, many podcasters are monetizing by creating premium content for paying subscribers. Platforms like Apple Podcast subscriptions, Spotify's paid tiers, or Patreon offer seamless tools to deliver bonus episodes, ad-free versions, or exclusive interviews to loyal fans. Listeners are often willing to pay for enhanced experiences if they love your content. This model provides steady, recurring income and strengthens your relationship with your core audience. Create value with exclusive mini-series, behind-the-scenes content, or extended interviews. Promote the premium tier regularly and make subscribing simple. Use tools like Supercast or Apple Podcasts. Connect to manage subscriptions. Consistency and value are key to building and retaining a paid user base. Podcast merchandising. Podcast merch is a fun and effective way to monetize your show. Loyal fans love showing off their favorite podcasters through t-shirts, mugs, stickers, and more. Tools like Teespring, Printful, or Shopify make it easy to create and sell branded merchandise with no upfront inventory costs. The key to successful merch is branding. Develop a strong logo, tagline, or catchphrase that listeners will want to wear or use. Merch not only earns money but also promotes your podcast in the real world. Design unique and memorable items that reflect your podcast's theme. Use print-on-demand platforms to avoid risk. Announce new merch drops in your episodes and on social media. Online courses and coaching via your podcast. If your podcast shares expert insights, consider creating online courses or coaching programs. Your audience already trusts you, so they're more likely to purchase educational content that goes deeper than the podcast format allows. Courses can be hosted on platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or Gumroad. You can also offer one-on-one coaching or group sessions related to your niche, business, personal development, fitness, and more. Hosting live shows and events. Live podcast recordings, virtual meetups, or even national tours can be an exciting revenue stream. Fans love engaging with their favorite podcasters in real time. You can sell tickets to online webinars, Zoom calls, or in-person events. Partnering with venues or other podcasters can help share costs and widen your reach. Events can also boost your brand visibility, deepen listener relationships, and attract sponsors who want real-time exposure. Licensing content and syndication. As podcasting matures, licensing deals have become a legitimate income source. You can license your episodes, clips, or even your whole podcast to networks, platforms, or content aggregators. Some streaming services or radio stations pay to feature top-performing shows. If your podcast includes original storytelling or investigative journalism, you could also license content to film studios or publishers looking for source material. Podcast ad networks and programmatic ads. Joining a podcast ad network simplifies monetization by inserting dynamic, programmatic ads into your episodes. These networks match your content with advertisers using algorithms. This is ideal for creators who want consistent ad revenue without managing sponsor relationships manually. Networks like Acast, Megaphone, and Anchor automate the process, offering CPM-based payouts. Though lower per ad than custom sponsors, volume makes up for it. Writing a book or launching a product based on your podcast. Podcasts often serve as a foundation for books, apps, or products. If you've built an audience around a theme, like self-help, finance, tech, you can expand into related products. A podcast can validate your authority, giving you leverage when pitching book deals or launching your own app. This route offers long-term brand and business potential far beyond ads and subscriptions. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.